Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the top Python IDEs of 2024 that will help you master Python like a pro. Choosing the right IDE can seriously level up your coding game. We're talking better workflow, faster debugging, and a smoother overall coding experience. Whether you're just starting out with Python or you're a seasoned developer, this video is your one-stop shop for finding the perfect IDE to match your coding style and project needs. We're breaking down the features, pros and cons of each contender, so you can make an informed decision and get coding like a pro in 2024. First up, we have PyCharm, a heavyweight contender in the Python IDE arena. PyCharm is not just another IDE, it's a comprehensive tool that has been meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of Python developers. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned professional, PyCharm has something to offer for everyone. PyCharm is known for its robust features and comprehensive support specifically designed for Python development. It offers a plethora of functionalities that make coding in Python not just easier, but also more efficient and enjoyable. From code analysis to project navigation, PyCharm covers all the bases. One of the standout features of PyCharm is its intelligent code completion. This feature is a game changer, especially when you're working on large projects with complex code bases. It helps you write code faster by predicting what you're going to type next and offering suggestions that are contextually relevant. It's like having a coding buddy who can anticipate your next move and suggest code snippets on the fly, saving you time and reducing errors. This not only speeds up your coding process, but also helps in maintaining a higher level of code quality. PyCharm also boasts some really powerful debugging tools. Debugging is an essential part of the development process, and PyCharm makes it as painless as possible. With its advanced debugging capabilities, you can easily identify and fix issues in your code. Imagine being able to step through your code, line by line, inspecting variables and identifying bugs with surgical precision. This level of control is invaluable when you're trying to track down elusive bugs that could be affecting the performance or functionality of your application. That's the power PyCharm puts at your fingertips. The ability to debug effectively can save you countless hours of frustration and make your development process much smoother. Now, all this power comes at a cost. PyCharm offers both a free community edition and a paid professional edition. While the Community Edition is quite capable, the Professional Edition unlocks a whole new level of features and integrations. PyCharm can be resource-intensive, especially the full-featured professional version. This means that to get the best performance out of PyCharm, you'll need a reasonably powerful machine. If you're running on older hardware, you might find that the IDE can be a bit sluggish at times. If you're working on a less powerful machine, you might notice some lag. This can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a coding sprint and need everything to run smoothly. However, there are ways to optimize PyCharm's performance, such as tweaking the settings and disabling unnecessary plugins. But hey, for serious Python development, many consider PyCharm's comprehensive features well worth the resource investment. The time and effort you save with its advanced features can more than make up for any performance issues you might encounter. In the end, PyCharm remains a top choice for Python developers who are looking for a powerful, feature-rich IDE that can handle all their coding needs. Next, we have Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for those in the know. This powerful open-source code editor has become a favorite among developers worldwide. VS Code has taken the coding world by storm, and for good reason. Its sleek interface and robust functionality make it a go-to tool for both beginners and seasoned professionals. It's incredibly versatile, with support for a vast array of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more, through its extensive library of extensions. These extensions are easy to install and can significantly enhance your coding experience. One of the things I love about VS Code is its customization. You can tailor the editor to fit your specific needs and preferences. You can tweak and personalize almost every aspect of the editor, from themes and fonts to keyboard shortcuts and extensions, making it truly your own. Whether you prefer a dark theme for late-night coding sessions or a light theme for daytime work, VS Code has you covered. VS Code is also super lightweight and fast, even on less powerful machines. This means you can run it smoothly on older laptops or lightweight machines without any hiccups. It won't bog down your system resources, which is a major plus. You can have multiple projects open, run various extensions, and still experience a seamless performance. And let's not forget the massive VS Code community. This community is one of the most active and supportive in the coding world. There's a vibrant community of developers creating extensions, themes, and sharing their knowledge, so you're never short of resources or support. Whether you're looking for a specific extension, need help with a coding issue, or just want to connect with other developers, the VS Code community is always there to help. Additionally, there are countless tutorials and guides available online, making it easy to learn new features and improve your coding skills. From beginner tutorials to advanced techniques, there's something for everyone. VS Code also comes with an integrated terminal and powerful debugging tools which streamline your workflow and make it easier to test and debug your code. These features are designed to save you time and make your coding process more efficient. Another standout feature is VS Code's Live Share, which allows you to collaborate with other developers in real time. This is perfect for pair programming, code reviews, or just getting a second pair of eyes on your work. VS Code is also cross-platform, meaning you can use it on Windows, macOS, and Linux. This flexibility ensures that no matter what operating system you prefer, you can enjoy the same powerful features and seamless experience. In conclusion, Visual Studio Code is a highly customizable, versatile, and efficient code editor that caters to the needs of developers of all levels. Its extensive library of extensions, active community, and powerful features make it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their coding experience. Now, let's talk about Jupyter Notebook, a favorite among data scientists and researchers. Jupyter Notebook provides a unique interactive environment where you can combine code, visualizations, and text all in one place. Imagine writing code, seeing the results immediately, and documenting your thought process, all within a single document. That's the beauty of Jupyter Notebook. It's perfect for data exploration, prototyping, and creating interactive reports that you can easily share with colleagues. Jupyter Notebook really shines when it comes to data visualization. You can generate stunning plots, charts, and interactive visualizations directly within your notebook, making it a breeze to analyze and present your data. While it's not as feature-rich as some other IDEs when it comes to pure coding features, its interactive environment and data science capabilities make it a top choice for many. Moving on, we have Spider, an IDE specifically designed for scientific computing and data analysis. Spider is like a Swiss Army knife for scientists and engineers, offering a comprehensive suite of tools tailored to their needs. One of Spider's key strengths is its integration with popular scientific libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. It's like having these powerful tools at your fingertips, ready to tackle complex scientific computations and data visualizations. Spider also includes a handy variable explorer, which lets you easily inspect and manipulate variables in your workspace. This is super helpful when you're working with large datasets or complex data structures. And if you're coming from a MATLAB background, Spider's interface will feel familiar and intuitive. Last but not least, we have Thonny, an excellent IDE for those just starting their Python journey. Thonny is specifically designed to cater to the needs of beginners, making it an ideal choice for anyone who is new to programming and wants to learn Python in a stress-free environment. Thonny is designed with beginners in mind, offering a simple and intuitive interface that won't overwhelm you. The clean layout and straightforward design help you focus on learning the basics without getting lost in a sea of complex features. This simplicity is one of Thonny's greatest strengths, as it allows you to concentrate on writing and understanding code rather than navigating a complicated interface. It's like having a patient tutor guiding you through the fundamentals of Python. Thonny's user-friendly approach makes it feel as though you have a mentor by your side, gently leading you through each step of the learning process. This supportive environment is crucial for beginners as it helps build confidence and encourages experimentation without the fear of making mistakes. Thonny includes features that make learning Python easier, like a built-in debugger that helps you visualize code execution step by step. This feature is incredibly valuable for beginners as it allows you to see exactly how your code is being executed, making it easier to understand the flow of your program and identify any issues that may arise. It's like having a magnifying glass to examine how your code runs, making it easier to understand the flow of execution and identify any errors. The debugger breaks down the execution process into manageable steps, allowing you to follow along and gain a deeper understanding of how your code works. This hands-on approach to learning is invaluable for building a strong foundation in programming. Thonny also highlights syntax errors in real time so you can catch and fix them as you type, preventing those frustrating moments of trying to figure out why your code isn't working. This real-time feedback is a game changer for beginners as it helps you learn from your mistakes immediately and reinforces good coding practices from the start. And because it's lightweight, Thonny runs smoothly, even on older hardware, making it accessible to a wider range of users. This means you don't need a high-end computer to start learning Python. Even an older laptop can handle Thonny with ease. This accessibility ensures that anyone, regardless of their hardware limitations, can begin their programming journey without any barriers. Thonny is also a great tool for educational settings. Its simplicity and ease of use make it perfect for classrooms and coding workshops where students can quickly get up to speed and start coding. Teachers and mentors appreciate Thonny's straightforward interface as it allows them to focus on teaching programming concepts rather than troubleshooting software issues. Additionally, Thonny has a supportive community and plenty of online resources to help you along the way. Whether you're looking for tutorials, forums, or documentation, you'll find a wealth of information to assist you in your learning journey. This community support is invaluable, as it provides a network of fellow learners and experienced programmers who can offer guidance and advice. In conclusion, Thonny is an exceptional IDE for beginners, offering a user-friendly interface, valuable features, and a supportive community. It's the perfect tool to help you embark on your Python programming journey with confidence and ease. So, if you're just starting out, give Thonny a try and experience the joy of learning to code in a welcoming and encouraging environment. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next one.